Hi, everybody. In this video, I am going to try to show you how to use the TensorFlow and Google Colab tutorial on creating new Shakespeare text to play with this and create your own TXT file with your own set of text and import that to then try to create some of your own new AI generated text. So here, the first thing that you need to do, and I'm on a Mac, sorry for Windows users, you'll have to figure this out on your own. I am showing text edit here, and you can use this built-in program to create your own TXT files. It's a little tricky because you have to go up to preferences, so text edit preferences, and then switch this from rich text to plain text. And when you do this, now your text edit window changes a little bit, and this actually allows you to save as TXT files. So my attempt here is going to be to grab some commencement speeches. This is probably not going to be enough content, but I've got 4 speeches here ready to paste in. So I'm just going to grab them. Steve Jobs, Michelle Obama. This is Chadwick Boseman. And also David Foster Wallace. Paste. And then we're going to save this text file. And we'll just go ahead and save this as, I don't know, commencement speeches compiled .txt. And I'm going to switch this down here. Oops. No, I'm not. I'm just going to leave it. And hopefully this is going to work. Save. Make sure you note where you save it. Okay. And we'll come back now to our text generation. So I have not changed anything from the default, from the link that TensorFlow has provided, except that down here under setup, where it says download the Shakespeare dataset, I've changed the path to the file. So for here, what we're going to do is upload our own. So go over to your menu. If you've got a table of contents here, what you want to do is click on your folders and just navigate. I don't know how I even got here now. This is my first try at Google Colab. Here we go. I'm going to click on upload. Okay, so content, find your content folder, right? And I'm going to click on upload. And I'm just going to find where I saved it. So here it is. And I don't know, hopefully this is going to work. This might totally fail. So this giving you this reminder, right? Uploaded files are going to get deleted every time you reopen this cycle. This runtime is recycled. So this is not going to work if you open it up again. Try to save the project and open it up again. You have to keep uploading it. So let's go ahead and connect to our runtime. Okay, and now in our file browser, after we've connected, it's a key part here, we should see this file, right? So it's here, and then we're going to change our name. Ah, it's there, amazing. We're going to change our file path to now match this. So I should have named it something shorter with less spelling trickiness because I'm a terrible speller. Commencement speeches compiled .txt. I hope that I actually did that right. Who knows? Maybe I didn't. Okay, and now we're going to come back up and we are going to start running these little Python modules. So we're going to start with setup, and I'm going to hide all of the setup section so that now I can just click on this one play button and run all of the cells at once. Fingers crossed. We have no red errors. It seems to have worked. Hooray. Okay. Yes, and now we're going to do this. Same thing for process. Run these cells. There's a bunch of really fancy stuff happening in here that I don't understand. And I just want to make some cool commencement speeches. So we're processing the text here. I'm gonna now close our build the model section and run that. Seems to have run. Now there's a try the model section. So same thing, keep going, run these cells. You have to do these in order. If you do these out of order, you'll get some funky errors. There we go. Now we're training. Okay, so this is the fancy part. So I've now expanded it so we can watch this happen. We are running this model, that we're training the model, and we're running it 100 times through. So it's suggesting, Google, the tutorial is suggesting that we do 10. I'm doing 100 because I found in previous tries of this that it works. It's more accurate if we run it more times. And it also takes forever. So maybe for a video, I should have adjusted this, this epoch. I don't know how you say this. I should have adjusted the number of times that we do it. And if you want to adjust yours, you can do that in here, up in, where's my variable? Here. Right under execute the training, you can change this to something not so unreasonable, like I did. We're so close. We're so close. 82. Did it freeze? Oh, wait. Oh, 84, 85. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. Let's expand, generate the text. Okay, and just scroll down here. Some settings in here that you might want to look at. Here is temperature. This temperature results in changes the predictability of the text. So lower temperatures are more predictable. Higher temperatures are more surprising. I'm going to leave it right in the middle. I'm pretty sure this is between 0 and 1 based on my previous experiments. So I'm going to leave it right at 0.5. We also have number of characters to generate. So 3,000 is reasonable. Maybe let's try something a bit smaller just so we know it will all fit on the text on our screen for the video. And then we're going to come back up here and our model should be done. And we are going to run this and let's watch it happen. And see if we can find it. Okay, it's here. It's here. Look at this. Socian that we'd like to tell ourselves about America. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I haven't actually tried this. Okay, I'm going to go and highlight it so that we can actually read it. Oh my gosh. Copy. And I'm going to get you a new text edit file. What? Look at this. This is our new commencement speech. Oh no. Okay. Wow. Make this a bit more bigger. That is so often the case. This story thing that kept me going was that I learned about the capacity to think, oh my gosh, but rather about the choice, but to see what has been staring us in the face for you. This is amazing. I'm really, really thrilled with how well this came out with just a few samples. We have four commencement speeches and it turned out. Wow, this is amazing. Okay. I'm so thrilled about this. Okay, so now you know how to do it from start to finish. Go forth, make your own AI generated text. And if you feel like it, share with me in the comments what you made and how it went. Take care.